Hey guys, it's Mr. Golias, and we're taking a look at ITS number 4, which is our Lucid mind map. And we're going to scroll all the way down here. It's called Lucid Chart Diagrams. You click that. You're going to link it up to your U46 account, like so, just by clicking on it. You're going to select a blank document. It'll load up like mine is right now, and you'll give it a name. Whatever your goal is what you'll put. So I'm just going to say goal. I would pick something like this as your first. All you're doing is clicking and dragging and then bring it to about the middle. And if I double click in it, I can type. So you're going to put a title of your goal, or basically like a summary. And then you can drag in everything that you're going to need to do to accomplish your goal. And you're just going to put them out, and then all the steps that you're going to need for each one of these. And you can use the little arrow tool as well. Actually, if I just click on the arrow, then I can come out and draw arrows like so and connect them. And that's the interaction part of this program. Let me show you the one I created. So mine looks something like this, and you can see I filled everything in. This is my 30-day challenge for waking up at 5:30 in the morning, and I've given all the specific steps and how I want to do that. And you have access to my file already. So once you're done, now there's two things you're going to do. The first thing, you're going to click File, and you are going to download it as a JPEG, and that's how you do that, and save it to your ID number. And that way you'll later be able to import this into your ITS number 4. Mine is Wake Up Mental Map. And then all I had to do was click here, upload from computer, and then I just uploaded it and kind of sized it out. So that's how you turn it in there. The second thing you're going to do with yours is you're going to click the share button, and you're going to want to select anyone with the link can view, and you're going to copy your link, and then in the Google Classroom you're actually going to post it as a comment underneath your link. So you're going to have it in two places, and the directions are all here for you. One is going to be, it goes for part of your ITS, that will be your slide. And then the second thing, you're going to have it in the Google Classroom as a comment, and that's the shareable link. So this is something we're playing with. Hey, it's going to take a little time. I just started messing with this and was able to figure it out, but that's our goal. We're mapping out everything. Try to think of everything you need for your goal and then create this. You can go ahead and get started right now. Good luck.